feeling something. Or maybe that's just, no, there's something in this. Where are you? Oh, is it gonna be a tampon? And welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB on all platforms. It'll be shown right here and linked down below. And I'm a part-time reseller on Poshnmark. I was doing eBay for quite a while, but I took a break until after my child is born. I am having a baby girl and I am 8 months pregnant. So waiting till that is over. Waiting till that is over. I am waiting until after she's born to rejoin eBay because it just takes more mental capacity than Poshmark in my opinion. So on this channel, you'll find everything dealing with reselling, from what sold videos to hauls to unboxings, as well as some tips and tricks along the way. If all that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back and see more of my videos. All right, today we are back with another ThredUP mystery unboxing. I got another ThredUP order because I watched a ThredUP unboxing. I can't remember whose, but it made me go order one. I didn't need one. There was no cause for it. I basically went on there to see if they had one of their designer boxes, and they did not, but I ordered one anyway. So I have done a lot of ThredUP unboxings on this channel. I can link that playlist above, so I would go and check those out. This box is a 5 handbag box. So I got this box to compare it to a recent ThredUP video that I have, which I will also just link above that video, which was a, I think it was the name brand unboxing. So it was like 5 name brand handbags, which is what the title was. But if you watch that video, you will see I had a little bit of an upset where I got a card holder instead of an actual handbag, which I think it's still just sitting here. Hold on. Yes, it is. So it's just this Dooney & Bourke like card holder. So, you know, that kind of brought down the pregnancy brand. It brought down the profit I expected off of that box, which, you know, I haven't even listed this. Probably will just use it. So I wanted to get this box to see it so I could compare the 5 name brand one to the 5 just handbag box. So not specifically, I guess not name brand. I don't know what they mean by that. Maybe there's just no name in it, or they don't, or it's not good. I have no idea. But I wanted to get this one because specifically, if you remember in that video or if you watch it, when you look at ThredUP ThredUP boxes, you just order them, and when you get the order, it doesn't really have a summary. The only summary is if you highlight the photo on ThredUP's page, and at that point it did say I could have gotten accessories in that box. That's not really that great of an accessory, but anyway. But this one, the only description it had was, this haul contains, I can't even read my own handwriting. Something like, this haul contains 5 handbags that are totally a steal. Sorry. This haul contains 5 handbags that are totally a steal. So it's TOTE. Yeah. Haha. But anyway, so it should have actual handbags, all 5 of them. So I wanted to see what I thought would have been, you know, my profit on the designer bags versus this bag. This box of 5 just, you know, handbags, if you follow. So we're comparing the 2 boxes. At the end, I will put my believed profit on the first box, which was the name brand, and then also the profit I expect to get off of this box. But as I went back to break down the numbers for you guys, I'm like, ugh, I don't know if this was a good decision. I had the handbags in the past. I've gotten a 25 box of them, and it was pretty good, but it's before they broke them down into name brand versus handbag. And I remember them also being cheaper, because now that I've broken down the numbers, it was 5 handbags for $70 plus shipping. Rescues can have free shipping, but I think it's $75 and over. So this had the shipping, which was $641, so the total was $76.41, making each cost of good for a handbag $15.28. That's pretty high. I don't even buy handbags here for that. So at the thrift store, Like our handbags are $5 and priced up if they're like designer. So I'm not hopeful about this box. Hopefully I'm pleasantly surprised because I have very low expectations after breaking down these numbers. Anyway, the other thing is this did come from Arizona. I do like it when things are not from Georgia. I live in Georgia and often ThredUP boxes come from here because it's just, I guess, easier to ship here. And they're not that great usually from Georgia, in my experience. So I'm glad this is from Arizona and not Georgia. But okay, let's go ahead, open it up and see what we've got. So also something that worries me is this is pretty small. Like I feel like the other time I got the handbags, it was like a huge box and I even had like 3 of them for $25. So I'm concerned is what I'm trying to say. But let's open it up and see what we got. Got the paper. No, Lord. It's not looking good just by the top of it. It's not looking good by the top of it. Yeah, okay. This is just 5 handbags. Yep. $70. Oh, so first up is this like red, I think it's leather, which I guess is good. Handbag. It is Wilson's leather, so you know the outlet store. But like, this is not my style. I'm not gonna call it ugly, but it's not my style. It is kind of 90-ish. I feel like a lot of people had this like looking bag in the 90s. Which is coming back apparently. So I don't know. It does have some wear here on the edges. So rescue boxes can have all sorts of conditions in them. Oh, look at the little cell phone holder. So cute. It's so tiny. Your iPhone ain't fitting in that. But anyway, so I'm not excited about that. Okay, so the next one is a Kate Spade. So that's cool. It's like a little crossbody, white, black. That's not bad. Okay, not mad about that. And, oh, it's clean. Clean on the inside. It's got the stripe inside. Looks pretty clean. It says Kate Spade. I mean, yeah, I think it's like an older one, but still. I mean, it's definitely better than the first one. Okay. Next is, I don't know if I like this or not. I do like the like leather, but I'm not sure I like this middle part. It is a, what is this? Oh, it's Liz Claiborne, but it is leather. So that's nice. I'm kind of liking this. I'm not sure if I like the pattern, but I can kind of like it. I don't know. It's just a shoulder bag. Again, this is in pretty good condition. I mean, like some wear on the edges, but the bottom's good. Doesn't seem to be any marks on the leather. And the inside is like clean, which is good. So at least condition-wise, it's very nice. There is like a lot of space in that bag. Well, I'm hating on that one. This one's like a water tower. I don't know. Little symbols, what I mean. Okay. Oh, Brooklyn Industries. You know, I don't know what that is. It's a crossbody. It's just like this, like dark gray with this burgundy interior. This also kind of reminds me of the 90s. Maybe I can market them as 90s bags. But it's nice, again. Really good condition. I think they're like all kind of faded because I think it shows the age. But there's no like huge damage and the insides are really clean. This has like 2 pockets and then like a middle pocket as well. So yeah, also leather. I mean, yeah, I don't know. It's not as bad as I would think. Oh, hey, well, this is Hobo. So Hobo actually can be pretty expensive. I like this bag. It is a crossbody. It just has the little flap here, but you can open that up. Oh, and you have a pocket here, but then the top part opens. And again, pretty clean. That's what I'm most happy about, is how clean these bags are. And then another one in the front. There's a lot. And then there's a little slot here in the back where you can put your cell phone. And I kind of like this bag. I mean, I guess I'll be carrying around a diaper bag soon, but I like it. I mean, it's a little more beat up than the others, but it's kind of how hobo bags look. What is in this? Is there a pin in this? I'm feeling something. Or maybe that's just, no, there's something in this. Where are you? Oh, is it gonna be a tampon? There's something that feels like a pin, or possibly a woman's hygiene product. Where's that coming from? Oh my god, it is a tampon. I can tell because of the like back, but I can't get to it. I better find out where that is. Is it like in the lining? Oh, there's another secret pocket. Please be in a package. Please be in a package. Okay. Okay, they're in their packages. But anyway, it comes with a tampon. It's in the package. It's fine. A panty liner. And another detailed mini panty liner. It's kind of like this girl was ready. She was ready for some heavy and some light days. There's another secret little pocket in there. A discreet pocket for your feminine products or condoms, you know, whatever. Neither one of which I have much use for these days. Oh, I made myself laugh. Okay. Okay, so it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I don't think I would not have probably paid $15 for any of these at the thrift store. But I do think I can make my money back. Definitely. I'm curious to see after I break everything down if the name brand bags were better than this. So we'll see. So I'm going to show you guys on the next slide. All right, so I just showed you the list. I don't know what it is yet because that's future me doing all the math. But what did you guys think? Are you surprised by the outcome? Which box did you like best and which one do you think you would buy in the future? Let me know down in the comments. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and give me that thumbs up because, you know, it helps me out here on YouTube. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.